David De Gea insists there are more important things to focus on right now than his contract situation after reports he has turned down Manchester United's opening offer for a new deal. De Gea's current contract at United is set to expire this summer, with the club opting against activating a 12-month extension due to a desire to decrease his wages, currently on £375,000 per week. The Athletic reported on Wednesday that an opening offer for fresh terms was turned down by the 32-year-old, although both club and player are hopeful of coming together on the numbers. However, with such little time left on his current contract, speculation continues to surface over both his stance and that of Erik ten Hag, who has made no secret of his desire to have a ball player between the posts. But with up to 19 games left to play in which to cement a top-4 place and fight for 2 major trophies, the Spaniard insists a new deal is not his priority. "I've been here many years, enjoying every moment in this club, playing many games," De Gea told Sky Sports. "Of course it's great to be here, it's a massive club and I love the club and I'm really happy here of course. It's been the same over the years, there's a lot of noise around the club but players just focus on games, especially the one we have one Sunday. A massive game for us because we want to finish in the top 4. Like I say, we have many games, so I think we have to be really carrying on training, recovering well, helping the team, and that's the most important thing, more than contracts or anything." Despite early concerns over his quality on the ball, De Gea has proven crucial to Ten Hag both in quality and availability. He has played 42 of United's 46 matches. Such has been the 32-year-old's form this season that the Dutchman is ready to hold off on replacing him this summer, with more pressing concerns further up the pitch to address first.